In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ban in Telegram group. Before we begin, make sure you are using the Telegram desktop app and that you have admin rights in the group. Only admins or owners can lift a ban, and the options you see may vary slightly depending on your Telegram version or theme. But the process is the same. Start by opening the Telegram desktop app and navigating to the group where the user was banned. You can find it in your chat list, or by using the search bar if you are in a lot of groups. Once you are inside the group chat, look to the top of the window and click the group name. This opens the group's profile panel where all the management tools live. Next, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Management or Overflow menu. Click it and choose Manage Group or Edit, depending on what your app shows. This takes you into the settings area specifically for this group. Inside the management screen, go to Permissions, then open the section labeled Removed Users. This is the list of people who have been banned or removed from the group. It's a helpful way to keep track of moderation actions and quickly reverse them if needed. Now, to lift the ban, locate the person you want to restore. If you see an unban button next to their name, click it. That instantly removes the restriction and lets them rejoin or participate again. In some versions, you can also click the user's name to open a small profile card, then choose Unblock or Remove, which has the same effect, removing them from the banned list. The wording can differ slightly, but the result is identical. They're no longer banned. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. If your group has a lot of removed users, scroll carefully and double-check the profile picture or username to avoid unbanning the wrong person. After unbanning, the user may rejoin via an existing invite link or simply resume chatting if the group is public. If they don't see the group right away, ask them to refresh Telegram or look it up again. Also, it's good practice to review your group's permissions while you are here. You can fine-tune who can send media, add members, or post links, which can reduce the need for future bans. That's it. Thanks for watching.